Science en Acción is a bilingual spring break camp for high school students, and the purpose of the camp is to give these students an opportunity to learn more about STEM careers and also understand that being multilingual is beneficial or a superpower that can help you in any career.
I applied to SEA because I really like the opportunity to learn more about the careers in STEM and just to challenge myself more and get out of the classroom and learn somewhere else.
La razón que escogí venir a este programa porque me interesa ser ingeniero nuclear es que no veo personas en mi comunidad que se ven como yo, que también quieren ser ingenieros o quieren trabajar en ciencia. Y por eso quería ver personas representando mi cultura y hacer los trabajos que me interesan. Seeing other people who have gone through similar experiences with me, who are people who represent who I am in a field where I don't see that, I feel more confident that I'm going the right path, that I'm not going to be alone, that I have a support system around me.
It's really, really enriching. I find that every time I do it, I'm sort of challenged in a new way to think about how to explain something or think about what someone learning something new might be experiencing themselves. I've seen them pretty often get intimidated by certain hands-on tasks or be very impressed when someone says maybe their job title, but then once things get broken down and once they become familiar, the curiosity can just take over, and that's a really fun thing to watch.
Yo estoy interesada en una carrera de STEM porque una carrera de STEM no solo se enfoca en una específica carrera, tienes diferentes opciones.
Y también SEA es súper chévere porque uno puede ver sobre cómo gente que de la misma cultura y como nivel en lugares que uno creció.
My favorite part has been meeting new people. I've met people from different kinds of backgrounds, different kinds of knowledge, and different kinds of opportunities. It really helped me understand that I do not have to be certain right now of what I have to do, as long as I commit to what I'm doing.